The new year often brings a sense of possibility, motivation, and desire for self-improvement. 2024 can be the year you level up across all areas of life if you harness this energy correctly. Stoic philosophy provides timeless wisdom about living a meaningful life, which we can apply as our guiding principles for the next 12 months. Number 1. Set meaningful goals. The new year provides a perfect opportunity to contemplate and design 2 to 3 significant personal goals that will infuse your 2024 with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. As Epictetus said, make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Focus your goals and efforts on what you genuinely control. Rather than getting swayed by what culture pressures as important, connect with your inner wisdom to identify ambitions that truly resonate with your values. What self-mastery do you want to cultivate this temporary lifespan? How can you parent your emotions to react wisely? As Seneca wrote, treat your inferiors as you would be treated by your betters. With your priorities clarified, use reason to divide larger goals into small, manageable action steps. Invest time envisioning how actualizing these ambitious yet feasible aspirations will feel. Let that vision motivate during obstacles, with persistence knowing the growth and progress will be worth it, no matter the outcome. Carefully chosen, value-aligned goals make 2024 count by driving intentional self-expansion rather than coasting through passive routines. Number 2. Start a passion project. Imagine how satisfied you'll feel a year from now if you dedicate 2024 to building momentum on that passion project you've been yearning to create for so long. As Marcus Aurelius said, at dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work. As a human being, what do I have to complain of if I'm going to do what I was born for? The things I was brought into the world to do. We all have some creative endeavor we'd love to nurture, whether it's painting, coding, guitar, a startup idea, yoga teaching, writing. But we postpone it as a one-day dream rather than making time to nurture it now. Let this be the year you shift that passion from fantasy to reality. Start small by committing just 1 to 2 hours each week that are devotedly reserved for your project. Absorb informative resources to build knowledge first. Gradually start actively upscaling through experiments, creations, and expressions. Sign up for a course to surround yourself with encouraging community. While progress will be non-linear, imagine how tangible your skills or creations will be in 6 to 12 months thanks to this weekly regime. Channel motivating vision whenever dedication dips. How will mastering this make you feel more fulfilled and proud? Show up religiously for your allotted weekly time slot, no matter what. The satisfaction of finally chasing that simmering dream will make 2024 incredibly rewarding. Don't let another year slip by without gifting your future self this passion project milestone. Seize the day. Opportunity waits for no one. Number 3. Travel somewhere new. Imagine your 2024 self glowing with fresh life force, expanded perspective, and captivating travel stories, from courageously pushing beyond comfort zones to explore an epic global destination that's currently just a fantasy. Consume inspiring blogs, videos, photo galleries about your ideal locale until you feel a magnetic soul pull towards those landscapes and cultural immersions. Per Seneca, travel and change of place impart new vigor to the mind. As Epictetus similarly said, don't let your reflection on the whole sweep of life crush you. Consciously segment big goals into digestible pieces. Get clear first on how long you can escape for. 10 days, 2 weeks, a month? Outline travel dates 1 to 3 months beforehand for an exciting countdown. Start monitoring flight deals fitting your schedule. Be open to solo travel if that intimidates you. Seek wisdom from experienced voyagers to help craft an adventurous, authentic itinerary, mixing iconic sites with local secrets. Commit to consciously immerse without judgment. Bond heart-to-heart with fellow explorers and locals rather than comparing to home comforts. Return with expanded perspective from capturing those magical, perspective-shifting moments. Make your horizons expand in 2024 by finally booking tickets for that lifelong travel longing. Reclaim the fulfillment you deserve instead of postponing joy. Number 4. Volunteer your time. Imagine how meaningful 2024 would feel if your lifestyle structurally made consistent, values-aligned contributions to uplifting communities. As Marcus Aurelius emphasized, what we do now echoes in eternity. Altruism regularly expands perspective while spreading our interconnectedness. Seek out a cause hitting your heart, whether it's homelessness, climate change, youth education, cultural integration for immigrants, etc. Investigate aligned nonprofits in your locale to volunteer with. Schedule out monthly volunteer blocks as you would recurring meetings rather than leaving it to fleeting motivation. Treat altruism as any core obligation. Beyond scheduled blocks, look for daily generosity opportunities through spontaneous advice, compassionate action, or donations. When you volunteer, donate your unique skills and talents, the contributions only you can give. Teach specialized knowledge, leverage networks, or apply professional expertise to amplify impact and optimize operations beyond just manual tasks. Make standing pledges that hold you accountable long-term rather than just short bursts of support. The inspiration, joy, and bonds built through consistent values alignment will make 2024 exceptionally rewarding. Prioritize regularly giving back now. Number 5. Form deeper connections. To transform relationships into intimate sources of belonging, make sharing dreams, struggles, and perspective an intentional priority this year over small talk. Schedule regular one-on-one calls with loved ones free of distraction. Ask thoughtful questions drawn from your genuine curiosity about their inner worlds, who they are beneath their default persona. Be the first to bravely open up about something personally challenging you're going through or a dream you feel uncertain of. This builds trust and invites reciprocal transparency to unravel superficiality between you. Compliment subtle attributes you truly admire, like their empathy, humor, or resilience. Share a song, quote, memory that reminded you of them fondly. Explain the association meaningfully. If conflicts emerge, compassionately hear each other's perspectives before reacting. Find common ground and validate differing views before identifying solutions. Cultivating presence and intimacy in your relationships nourishes them exponentially while filling life's garden with profound purpose. Number 6. Add physical activity rather than vague intentions to exercise more. Decisively schedule specific days, times, and activities to structurally enable consistency. Be it dance, boxing, cycling, yoga, etc., catered to what you enjoy. Start gradually with small milestones to avoid burnout when new to working out. Make fitness social. Recruit friends for park workouts or races. Sign up for annual events like mud runs or marathons to motivate diligent training. Consider hiring a personal trainer for expert guidance. Track quantifiable progress like miles or weight numbers. Establish motivating cues like listening to favorite podcasts or ending sessions with relaxing sauna time exclusively during workouts. Committing fully to regulated exercise routines prevents leaving physical vitality to fleeting motivation. You'll feel amazingly rejuvenated, proud, and strong for powering through the year instead of prolonging procrastination. Don't wait until 2025. Structure incentives now to start progress. Number 7. Engage in personal growth. Imagine your 2024 self, glowing with hard-won wisdom and emotional intelligence, built by tirelessly seeking growth opportunities over stagnating in comfort zones. Commit now to not allowing your development to plateau by scheduling regular habits, facilitating continuous self-examination, and learning aligned with nature's callings. Carve out stillness for journaling, meditation, and reflective walks to check in on your inner world with presence. Are you aligned with evolving purpose? How have recent tests expanded your patience, compassion, and resilience? Read memoirs and diverse fiction to inhabit realities beyond your own. Consume educational podcasts and documentaries to widen perspective. Attend seminars debating technology, philosophy, and society. Sign up for intensive workshops teaching everything from public speaking to conflict resolution. If you feel certain relationships, a addictions or childhood patterns obstruct your thriving, prioritize therapy support to unravel the roots of those obstructions. The simple yet profound commitment to consistent self-improvement ensures your 2024 self emerges wiser, kinder, and more fulfilled than ever before. Your future awaits. Number 8. Get organized at home. Imagine starting 2025 feeling proud and motivated by spending 2024 mindfully implementing structure through clutter clearing and efficiency systems that evolved home into a sanctuary, open space to finally breathe and create aligning with your dreams. Carve out immersive time rather than fragmented bits for earnestly purging surroundings of anything superfluous. As Marcus Aurelius advised, be careful to leave your sons well-instructed rather than rich, for the hopes of the instructed are better than the wealth of the ignorant. Donate, sell, or recycle possessions not actively adding value or serving your purpose. Relinquish them from occupying your precious mental bandwidth. Use apps to schedule cleaning tasks across rooms weekly so mess doesn't accumulate. Automate bill payments and finances on a spreadsheet. Meal prep weekly to prevent decision fatigue around self-care. Standardize intuitive labeling and storage so items are easily findable rather than chronically misplaced. Establish calm through organizational zones, upholding visual harmony. Designating 2024 for implementing ordered systems and thoughtful cut stages, your spaces for flow rather than overwhelm. Reclaim agency over your home before another dissatisfying year slips by, stuck in chaos. Number 9. Try new experiences. Stagnation and disengagement often creep in when filtering life's richness through the same habitual inputs and assumptions. As the Stoics emphasized, complacency inhibits growth. This year, wholeheartedly expose yourself to unexplored realms. Maybe that's dance, stargazing treks, improv comedy, or art classes if creative outlets intrigue you. For adventurous types, say yes to cultural immersions through remote volunteering, wildlife excursions, or epic group travel. Prefer expanding social connections? Join a bowling league, potlucks, or start a storytelling circle. Bonus transformation comes from combining novel environments with embracing uncomfortable skills development too. Imagine the inspiration infusion from mastering photography while through-hiking remote trails. The cognitive shakeup fueling your versatility that accompanies continually peeking behind fresh doors fills life with magical unexpectedness. Will 2025 find you sparked by memories of everything feeling excitingly full of possibility, or stuck in stagnant familiarity? Number 10. Develop keystone habits. We all know the repetitive actions amplifying our health and productivity. Early bedtimes, exercise, meditation, greens, journaling, etc. But fleeting motivation alone rarely actualizes lasting ritual. Instead, this year, strategically build reminder cues into your schedule that lend tiny well-being acts the power of automated consistency to form unbreakable habits. Attach desired actions to existing fixed cues. For example, meditate for 2 minutes as soon as the coffee finishes brewing. Start meetings with a quick gratitude round. Only check social media while on the treadmill. By embedding beneficial practices into the weave of each day through triggers and systems, you effortlessly level up personal dividends while escaping the fickleness of inspiration waiting to feel motivated. Seize this intentional life design power over your cage of comfort. If you are listening to this, thank you for staying till the end. If you feel any of these Stoic lessons resonated with you today, feel free to start a Stoic discussion in the comments. I welcome Stoic discussions as they are what the great Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca advised for. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, and if you want more content like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you find peace and serenity in the Stoic ways.